Hello, and welcome to today's session on LO3, Can Create Business Content for a Social Media Platform. Today, we will explore how to transform your social media strategy by creating compelling business content that truly connects with your audience. You will learn the essentials of crafting engaging posts that capture attention, build brand awareness, and drive sales. By the end of this session, you will understand how to design content that not only looks appealing, but also delivers measurable results for your business. Social media content is vital for building brand awareness. It engages customers through likes and shares, promotes products with visuals and campaigns, drives traffic to websites, and gathers valuable feedback. Understanding its purpose is key to success. Effective content uses strong visuals to catch the eye. Messages should be clear and consistent with the brand tone. Hashtags connect to trending topics. Calls to action encourage engagement. Regular posting maintains visibility. Imagine promoting a new clothing line on Instagram. Use a reel showing models in the collection. The caption should be engaging and concise. Include hashtags to expand reach. A call to action drives immediate sales. Each platform needs a unique approach. Instagram is for visual storytelling. Facebook allows longer posts and community engagement. LinkedIn focuses on professional updates. TikTok attracts with creative short videos. Adhere to transparency in sponsored posts. Ensure copyright compliance for images and music. Respect customer privacy. These rules maintain trust. Legal compliance is crucial for credibility. Content varies from informative to promotional. Informative posts build trust with expertise. Promotional posts drive sales with offers. Interactive content boosts engagement. User-generated content builds authenticity. Content must be relevant and audience-focused. Visual appeal is crucial for attention. Messages should be clear and simple. Consistency builds trust. Calls to action prompt audience engagement. A call to action encourages immediate action. A launch post should be visually appealing. Use high-quality video with upbeat music. Include a clear call to action. Hashtags improve searchability. Limited time offers create urgency. Show the process behind the products. Use images of design and styling. Captions should highlight creativity and sustainability. This adds transparency and authenticity. It humanizes the brand. Encourage user-generated content with a photo grid. Tag customers and invite them to share their looks. Offer a prize for participation. This builds community and expands reach. Followers become brand advocates. Evaluate content by its purpose and engagement. Check if it enhances visibility and encourages participation. Authentic messaging builds credibility. Drive traffic to the online store. A cohesive campaign strengthens brand presence. Feedback praised high-quality visuals and branding. The video captured attention and promoted sustainability. Captions were clear and aligned with brand focus. Suggestions included emotional hooks. Adjustments could enhance engagement. User-generated content boosts engagement. Featuring customer photos encourages participation. Real customer stories build trust. Timing of posts affects visibility. Diversify with stories and reels. Post during peak activity for maximum visibility. Use Instagram stories and reels for engagement. Timing affects content reach. Align content with audience behavior. Strategic scheduling enhances effectiveness. The campaign was effective in promoting Urban Edge. It combined visuals, hashtags, and messaging. The call to action encouraged responses. User-generated content built trust. Minor improvements could enhance impact. Social media is a powerful marketing tool. It connects businesses with customers, builds brand awareness, and promotes products. It's cost-effective and measurable. Strategic use enhances marketing goals. Social media reaches a global audience. Small businesses gain visibility without large budgets. Hashtags and shares expand reach. High competition requires creative content. Consistent activity maintains presence. Social media fosters two-way communication. Customers engage directly with brands. Real-time interaction builds loyalty. Responding to feedback enhances brand image. Negative feedback must be handled professionally. In conclusion, SEO plays a pivotal role in enhancing online visibility and user engagement. A comprehensive understanding of its components and strategic implications enables more effective planning and execution. Adhering to ethical SEO practices not only safeguards reputation, but also ensures sustainable long-term success. Integrating diverse SEO approaches optimizes overall effectiveness, while ongoing adaptation remains essential in navigating the constantly evolving digital landscape. Achieve sustainable success with social media.